port scanning method of discovering systems in Centrify scans network devices, for example routers, and Unix or Linux Windows systems that are not joined to the Active Directory, in addition to the Active Directory joined systems. Let's see a demo of it. First, log into the Centrify admin portal and go to Discovery, Systems and Accounts and Profiles. Click on Add Discovery Profile and provide the name, description, and select the discovery method as port scan. Add a scope for the port discovery, and provide the IP address of the machine. Click on Add a Discovery Account and add a new discovery account if there is no one existing. Provide the identifying name and the user credentials that can be used to log into the machine. Click on Save to add the discovery profile. We can now see that the status of the discovery profile is ready. From under Actions, click on Run Through Run Discovery Scan. We can see that the status has changed to running. We can make further changes in the discovery profile like scheduling automatic scans or adding a user that has access. We can monitor the activity regarding a particular profile from the Activity tab. Now we can see the status is changed to ready, so we'll check the report generated. Go to History, select the required report, and you will be able to see the entire job summary of the discovery operation. Have any questions on PAM integration? Contact Sennovate for seamless integration of custom privileged access management solutions. Learn more about Sennovate secrets in our next video. Follow us to stay updated.